I'm sorry, sorry that you let me change my mind up like a origami. Oh, I'm sorry, sorry that you let me change my mind up like a origami. Kisses to my exes who don't give a about me. Kisses to the next one who think they can live without me. They make up going back up and they swear they never call me, but I still keep their number in the necklace. Kisses to my exes happens every time. I don't mean to be cold, but it's how I get. Me and all my pride, tryna burn down every damn bridge anytime we can. And again, God never stops. Hard case they can't lock. So I can't lie, just not enough. Let's just say it is what it is and was what it was. Kisses to my exes who don't give a about me. Kisses to the next one who think they can live without me. They make up going back up and they swear they never call me, but I still keep their number in the necklace. Kisses to my exes. I'm sorry, sorry that you let me change my mind up like a origami. Oh, I'm sorry, sorry that you let me change my mind up like a origami. Since they wanna go, then they don't wanna leave. Make another promise that I can't keep. I don't ever know what I want, but that's what you want. If you're down with it, don't blame me. Begging it all before it starts, making it all up in my head. I just overshare about things I never meant. God never stops. Hard case I can't lie. So I can't lie, just not enough. Let's just say it is what it is and was what it was. Kisses to my exes who don't give a about me. Kisses to the next one who think they can live without me. They make up going back up and they swear they never call me, but I still keep their number in the necklace. Kisses to my exes. I'm sorry, sorry that you let me change my mind up like a origami. Oh, I'm sorry, sorry that you let me change my mind up like a origami. Kisses to my exes, I know that I did you dirty, little messed up, little selfish. We ain't married at 30. Yeah, we hooked up, then we broke up, and I said you really hurt me, but I still got your number and your necklace. Kisses to my exes.
Let's learn Kisses. It's choreographed by Piper Karren. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 1. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go around and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Kisses. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do mambo to the right and the left. So you're going to take the ball of your right foot, rock it to the right side, recover onto your left, and step your right next to your left. You're now going to rock the ball of your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, step your left next to your right. You're now going to do a step to the right. You're going to drag your left toe in and slightly back, and we're going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto our right, step forward with your left and do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. You're doing your mambo to the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do toe taps forward, but I want you to do them more like you're doing a bigger toe strut. So you're going to take your left toe, you're going to take the ball of it and touch it forward and then drop your heel. You want to do a slightly bent knee. You're now going to take your right toe, do the ball of your right foot forward and then drop your heel. You're now going to scuff your left heel forward, step forward with your left and take your right toe and touch it behind your left using the ball of your right foot. You're now going to unwind a full turn over your right shoulder to come back to 6 o'clock. And when you end, you want your weight on both feet for 8. So let's try it with some counts. You're doing your toe taps forward, starting with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And when you unwind, try not to lean forward. Keep soft knees until you have your weight split between both feet. Now, section 3, have apple jacks. I'm going to turn to the front and show you how to do the apple jacks and show you a great option to avoid doing apple jacks if your body or you have not learned how to do them yet, or they feel really, really hard. So if you're able to do apple jacks, you're going to be shoulder width apart, and you're going to take your left heel, you're going to bring it into the right, and as you bring that left heel in, your right toe is also going to go to the right. So you're on the ball of your left foot and on the heel of your right foot, and everything is going to the right. Then you're going to come back center, and we're going to switch. So your left toe is going to go to the left side, and your right heel is going to go to the left side. You're on the ball of your right foot and the heel of your left, and then you would come back center. And then we're going to do that again, to the right, center, to the left, center. Let's try them a little bit quicker. Doing your apple jacks, it's right, center, right, center, left, center. Make sure you're bending your knees. That will help in the motion. If you have not learned how to do an apple jack, or you're still working on it, a great way to mimic an apple jack would be to have your toe just go out to the side. So you would swivel your right toe to the right side, and then your left toe, your right toe, then your left toe. That's a great way to look like you're doing an apple jack without actually doing the apple jack. Another thing you could do is, like she says in her video, you could change it into hip bumps. However you want to do it. If you want to do 2 to the right and 2 to the left, you can, or you could do right, left, because we are staying in place. So now let's face the back. We're going to practice the apple jacks, and then we'll continue on with section 3. Weight is split, shoulder width apart. You're going to do your apple jacks starting with both going to the right. So left heel, right toe, center, left toe, right heel, center, left heel, right toe, center, left toe, right heel, center. Now we're going to do a triple to the right. We're going to step our right foot to the side, left foot together, right to the side. And when you step to the side, you really want to lean into this step to the side, because we are going to do a quarter turning ronde sweep. So we're going to turn over our left shoulder, sweeping our left foot from front to back. And then you're going to step back with your left, and you're going to pop your right knee forward, having the toe still touching the floor. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is split. You're doing your apple jack. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do prissy walks forward, or nice slow walks forward. So you're going to step your right foot forward, and you're going to kind of drag that left toe into your right, and then you're going to step forward with your left and drag your right toe slightly in. You're now going to cross your right over your left. You're going to hold, and then we're going to unwind a full turn over our left shoulder, coming back to 3 o'clock. Weight will be on your left foot, ready to start the dance all over again, or go into the tag. So now let's try it with some counts. We would have just popped our right knee up. We're stepping with our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left, and you're ready to go into the next wall or the tag, depending on where we are in the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your mambo to the right and the left. So it's mambo, step, side drag behind, rock, recover, step, half toe press, step, scuff, step, tap, full unwind, split, weight, apple jack, right, left, triple step, ronde, sweep, back, pop. Now you're doing your walk, cross, hold, unwind to 3 o'clock. Weight is on your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your mambo. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag happens one time only. It's 4 counts. It's going to happen on the end of your first wall, so you'll be facing 3 o'clock. You're going to be here with your weight on your left foot. You're going to hit your right knee slightly up, and you're going to do a big step back with your right, dragging your left foot into your right. You're now going to do a left mambo step, rocking your left foot back, recover onto your right, and then step your left next to your right, and that will put you back into your side mambos. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your hitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're ready to go into the dance all over again. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to do a full rotation of the dance, which includes our tag on the end of wall 1. Weight starting on your left foot, you're doing your mambo. Right mambo, left mambo, side drag, rock, recover, step, half. Now your toe tap and toe tap, scuff, step, tap, full unwind, applejack, right, left, triple to the right, quarter sweep, back pop, walk, hold, cross, hold, unwind, do your tag, hitch, drag, mambo step, start over, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mambo, side drag, rock, recover, half pivot, toe tap, scuff, step, tap, full unwind, applejack, right, left, triple to the right, ronde, sweep, back, pop, walk, hold, cross, hold, unwind, side mambo, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned the tutorial, scroll to the end of this video and practice with the rear facing demo so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn kisses. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Oh, I'm sorry that you let me